Welcome back and magandang morning mga kabaliwan. This next part of the Mandalorian costume is the apron. Some call it abs protector. Well, I prefer to call it an apron. This video is very short because this is just an easy build. What I used here is a 3mm thick foam and I copy all the details based on my reference photos. The lines are just easy to follow, so it's not very hard for you to draw. Then, use another 3mm thick foam for the base apron and position all the patterns and glue them onto the base apron. The color of the apron, based on what I am looking at, is gray or light gray. So I got the synthetic leather and I'm using a contact cement for this. Make sure you apply contact cement between the lines or the small breaks of the embossed details of the apron. Then, stretch the leather, use the other side of your X-Acto knife or just use your finger to press the leather down to the breaks in order for the details to pop up. Then, cover the other side using the same material. Then just cut the edge of the apron to make it look clean. If you have a sewing machine, you can lock the edge by sewing it. If you don't have one just like me, contact cement will hold it pretty well. Guys, so we have here the Mandalorian abs protector, or should I say apron. So it's easy to make and I know you can do it also. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.